Feeding me your lies real slow. Oh, poison like a black widow. Oh, all you are is harmless smoke.
What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sherry. Thanks so much for joining me today. I'm so glad to see you. I hope you're doing well. Today I have for you my BOXYCHARM for September of 2018. And I'm not going to gripe for long, but I do have to say that I'm very disappointed that I didn't get the BOXYLUXE. I would think that, knowing the popularity of BOXYCHARM, they would probably anticipate the demand for the BOXYLUXE and it wouldn't have gone down the way it did, because I logged in immediately upon receiving the email that it was available, and I tried for probably 2 hours, 3 hours back and forth, and I just kept getting an error message. I didn't even get the message that I was waitlisted, but I guess I'm waitlisted until December. We'll see how it turns out then. But in the meantime, I'm glad to have my BOXYCHARM. I also ordered some things with my charms, but it's coming in a separate order, so I'll include that in another haul. But today, let's get into this BOXYCHARM. I really enjoyed this subscription box, and when I put all the others on pause or I canceled them, this is the one that I keep, because I'm always at least satisfied with 1 or 2 items in the box, and those items always make the $21 price tag more than worth it. So let's get in here and see what we have. I really wanted to watch some friends unboxings this time, and so I'm not surprised as to what's in my box, but I am happy with what's in my box for the most part. I did have a couple different things than some of the unboxings that I watched, but we'll see what the shades are and stuff like that. This time they've gone back to the accordion style pamphlet, and the theme is wildflower, and that's super pretty. In fact, that's so pretty that might even be nice framed, actually. We've got some super beautiful women here with beautiful glowy skin. I don't know if these are influencers or not. I'm guessing so, because there are some @ signs. I don't recognize them though. Usually I will recognize at least 1 or 2, but this time no. But I will go ahead and read to you what's on the pamphlet, tell you the retail price, and at the end of the video I will add them all up for you and let you know what the actual value of the entire box was, just to see if it was worth your $21 or my $21. The first item that I'm pulling out today, I'm actually really excited about, because at the last Ulta sale I bought one of these. It was the first one that I have tried, and that is the Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten. This one is called Tropic Hues. I'm not ordinarily a big fan of baked products, because it just seems like it's hard to get the product off, or it's hard to get the pigment off. But I have another one of these, and this one is called Pink Buttercream, and I have used this hundreds of times, and you can't even tell that there's any product gone. But I mean, super pigmented, super pigmented, and very beautiful, very gorgeous. And so I'm happy to have another one. I was actually a little bit disappointed that Ulta didn't have these on sale again, because I wanted to get another shade, and now I have another shade, and this is what the one that came in the box looks like. And I'm excited that it's kind of a corally color, because I already have a pink one. So I'll put them side by side here in my hand. One is very pink and one is very corally, so I like to have a little bit of a contrast, and I'm super excited to have this product. But let me read to you what it says on the pamphlet. It retails for $28, and I think it's worth the price because it lasts forever. Alright, it says, add a gorgeous glowy flush to your cheeks with this baked blush. Stunning swirls of liquid pigments are baked in Italy for 24 hours on terracotta tiles and hand finished into a silky dome of powder. This smooth and long-wearing formula is paraben-free and infused with skin-loving antioxidants. So yeah, it says it's Valentina's fave. whoever Valentina is. Obviously, I'm out of the loop with these influencers, but I'm super excited to have this. Next is a Lorac Pro Matte Lip Color. And I have several of these actually, so let's see what shade I got. Oh, the shade I got is Fuchsia. And I don't think I have this color. Wow. Super brightness here. Super duper brightness. So this is definitely a spring and summer color, but it has a really nice vanilla scent. But anyways, let me read to you about it. It says, Lorac Pro Matte Lip Color. Color, line, and define your lips with the Lorac Pro Matte Lip Color. These velvety smooth matte lip color hugs the curves of your lips with precision and control, while the weightless Pro formula easily glides on, leaving you with color that lasts. This formula is infused with antioxidants and vitamins that your lips will love. It retails for $19. This is Ashley's fave. Happy to have this. I really do like this formula of matte lipstick. It's very comfortable, and I use this on a couple of people that I did makeup on for weddings and prom because it really does stay put. And it's also something that you can use to retouch, and because it has a precision tip, it makes it where you don't have to carry a liner around. You can do it all with just this. So happy to have this. Next is something that I saw in the BOXYLUXE unboxings. I was like, man, I want those green brushes because I don't have anything like this. And I just thought they were super pretty. These are by Alamar Cosmetics. And if you guys remember, if you are a BOXYCHARM subscriber or if you watched my BOXYCHARM, we did get an Alamar palette. And it was super nice. And I really, really like it. When I was watching Courtney's unboxing, I saw that she got these two in her BOXYCHARM, and so I was super excited. But we did get the Alamar palette in another BOXYCHARM, and I love that palette, and I can't wait to get back into it. Right now I'm in the middle of a series, so I've been using all my Lorac products, but these are the brushes. We've got a fluffy brush, a flat, I guess, under lower lash line brush, and a pointed flat brush or a concealer brush. And Courtney said she hates brushes like this. Well, give me yours, Courtney, because this is what I use to cut creases with. This is what I use for inner corner work. This is what I use to highlight my brow bone. So if you don't want it, give it to me. Now this one, I'm kind of with her on this one. This one doesn't really, I don't use these much because it doesn't seem to hug my eye whenever I'm doing something on my lower lash line. But they are really nice. They feel like quality brushes. This one I'm super excited about because I really like the shape of this. I like the way it feels. I like the taper. It's super fluffy, and I think it'll be a really good transition or just an overall blending brush. Plus, I just really like the colors. It's kind of like a melon colored chrome with lime green, and it goes with her color scheme. I can tell by her palette that this is kind of her color story. And so yeah, I'm happy with these. Let me read to you what it says. They retail for $18. Made with 100% synthetic fibers, these brushes are extremely soft, durable, and essential to your brush collection. The flat painter brush effortlessly applies color onto your lids, while the fluffy blender brush can be used to seamlessly blend colors together. The flat tight liner brush is perfect for direct color application on your lash lines. So you guys know I love brushes. I always am happy to have brushes. I'm super excited to have these. So I'm just going to go ahead and put them over here in my brush holder, and let me just get right after putting them to work. Next is Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Precision Liner. Roll-On. This makes me wonder if this is a dupe of that MAC roller eyeliner. I don't know. That didn't get very good reviews, and when I was watching it, I thought, how the heck would I even be able to use that? So let's just wait and see. It says Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Liner. It retails for $19. It says create precise, ultra-fine winged liner looks with this innovative liquid liner. The ergonomic handle gives you insane control while creating your liner looks. The roll-on applicator does all of the work for you while delivering a pitch black pigment that meets even your boldest standards. Created with a longevity complex, this quick drying smudge proof formula is guaranteed to last. This is Ohana's fave, and yeah, I don't think I said the Alamar Cosmetics Ojitos brush set are Jasmine's fave. I don't know why I feel the need to tell you that, but I guess if you know who these people are and you know that that's their favorite, maybe you'll take another look at it. Okay, this is interesting. Inside there, I don't know if you can see it, it's kind of like a, I don't even know how to describe it. Let me see if I can get it to show. I don't know. Anyway, it's like it looks like a flower. So I guess whenever you pull this out, I don't know if you can see this or not. But yes, it's a little rolly ball. It's a little rolly ball. Well, it feels interesting. I just don't know how that's going to feel on the eye. It feels a little rough, and I don't really see where, you know, it's a precise line, I guess, but it's not uniform. Like one part's thin, one part's thick. I don't know, you guys. I will definitely try this just because I'm super curious about if I would be able to control this and if there's anything to this applicator being something special. I'm going to let this dry on my hand here, and then we'll give it a smudge proof test and see if it really is. But yeah, that was $19 was the retail price. And finally, the Pretty Vulgar Nightingale Smoky Eyeshadow Palette. It retails for $35. But I did want to show it to you. Yes, it's upside down, but I wanted to show it to you closer just so that you could see it without the mirror blinding you. And I've seen this when Pretty Vulgar first came out. I saw quite a few people who were talking about this palette. And I don't think it got excellent reviews. I think people were okay with it, but I don't think they thought it was worth the $35. But let me give you a peek inside. I do think the inside is super unique and pretty. And I do like the colors, but I like it. It looks like a bird cage. I guess I could cover it up this way. Very interesting. Okay, but I'm gonna hold it upside down because I'm just a little upside down. All right, it says, made up of 12 highly pigmented shades, the Nightingale palette is sure to help you create your best look. The matte shimmer and satin shades are soft in texture, and the luxuriously smooth formula makes for easy blending and long wear. Again, $35 retail price, and it's Amber's fave. I will just do a couple of swatches of the ones that I think look interesting. There's Break Free. This is Break Free. And Clutch. And Silver Spoon. And Dark Side. If I'm not mistaken, these are probably the exact ones that everybody is swatching. But anyways, this is the one from up top. I can't even see what I'm doing. Oh wow, those are actually really pretty. I like this one over here, that Dark Side. That has a really cool shift to it. And I barely went in there. So those are nice. I didn't know if I was going to keep this or not, but I think, yeah. I don't have any eyeshadows from Pretty Vulgar. In fact, the only thing I have is that Inkwell gel eyeliner that I got in another BOXYCHARM. So I'm going to go ahead and give the eyeliner a smudge test. Okay. Oh, wow. It rolled off like, I mean, it just rolled off. Can you see that? Like it was a vinyl. I mean, I am pushing down hard, but it rolled off. So, I don't know. I'm not going to be rolling on my eyes like that. I would hope I'm not going to be rubbing on my eyes. But can you see how it balled up? I don't know how long lasting that's going to be. The eyeliner, that is. Alright guys, out of everything in this box, I'm most excited for the Laura Geller blush and the Pretty Vulgar palette. These are the two things I'm most excited to try. And like I said with my Ipsy unbagging, I may try a split screen and show myself applying these while I'm talking to you about them. I'm not sure exactly how to use that feature of my editing program yet, so I would definitely have to do some practicing with that. It may not work out that way, so if you don't see a side by side, you'll know I didn't figure it out. But the retail price of the entire box combined was $119, and this is definitely not the most valuable that we've had. I mean, there have been some that were close to $200, but I still think it's a pretty good value for a $21 price tag. So yeah, let me know if you got anything different or if there's anything that you're particularly curious about in my box, and just tell me what you think about it in general. I think it was a pretty good one. Not the best one I ever got, but most certainly not the worst one that I've ever gotten. There's definitely some things in here that I would like to try. Even though I don't think that eyeliner is going to be a hit for me, I still want to try it and just see if I can do it right, because I'm just hard-headed like that. If you're interested in BOXYCHARM, I will put the referral link and a direct link down in the info box so you can click from there. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye, guys. So, I'm not going to gripe for very long, but I am going to say I was very disappointed that I left my fan running. And we've got some super beautiful women. I don't know if these are influencer. Ba-da-dum-bum. That is a Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten Intro. Next is a Lorac. This is definitely a spring and color. Spring and color. I saw my phone be ringing. But we got the boxy. But I really am happy about that one, the flat one, because it will be perfect for cut creases. It says LMR Cosmetics Ojitos brush set, made with 100%. Even if just for the matte, even if you're just going for a basic look, you can do that with this palette. You can also go for a super smoky look, and you can do that with this palette. So I really like the oh Lord have mercy. This is why I don't film after school. My brain is done.
Feeding me your lies real slow. Oh, poison like a black widow. Oh, all you are is harmless smoke. Oh, casting shadows on the floor.